we can't stop the party with the gyro.
What is going on, my YouTube family? It's Emoneyshoes back up in this thing. I'm doing it again. It's Saturday. All of y'all out there just caught those barrel out. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to you, the 90s. Your boy Emoneyshoes is gonna sit on the sideline on this one. Shout out to PMKICKZ. You see, I rock my sneakers. I'm getting around to it. I'm trying. I am trying. You see, I got my quarantine beard. All right, I'm on the road currently to 7,500. So please hit thumbs up, like, subscribe. Also, go check out the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. We're going to be coming back to you with Who Has the Heat, September the 12th. All right, that's a Saturday. Back on 313 Retro Queen channel. It's going to be litty lit. Now, without further ado, I done did enough talking and all of that stuff. Let's jump into this review. Trying to do some different things. Look for another steal and deals. And bam! Iris lows, right? 10.5 question low. PP, a fresher colorway, white, Vividor, and RB, whatever it is. But it's a PP personal pair. As you can see, I think the suggested retail price was $120, $130, something like that. So I am not exactly sure, but I think it was $120. But guess what? At Champs here on the island, these joints are, how much are they? They are $99. $99. That is a steal and deal of whatever it is. Plus you get your discount on these joints. So it came out to about, I think, $88, right? $88 for these irises. Great for the spring, great for the summer. Now, as you can see, you got your stuff inside, your paper, all of that good stuff. And woo, look at these joints. These are Syracuse. On the camera, they kind of look reddish, but these are orange. It's like the orange toe things, right? On this camera, look orange. Not too bad there with the wavy stuff, but these are the orange toes, all right? Orange toes. These don't smell that bad, but some of the shoes got some very distinguished smell, like the foam polish Jordan one when you first grab the shoes. All right, it's another hot day here on the island, but these are lows. Dope. Like I said, for the summer and for the spring, or anytime here on the island this summer, and hot all year long. Underneath, you can see you got the blue, the hexalite translucent, which is very dope on the shoe. And you always have the little hole right there. You see it? Very nice. And you got your Reebok coming up in the toe. Like I said, the waves is not too bad on this shoe. Not too bad at all. Syracuse, I said, okay, I can do this, because he used to bust Syracuse butt back in the day, right? Coming up here, you got your mesh, and then you have your Reebok emblems here on the toe. You got Reebok as well. Let me see, can you see that? Yeah, you see that. Then coming around on this joint, I did the wrong. I actually like to do the left shoe first, but this is the right side. So you can see you got your Reebok, you got your hexalite, like that. Focus. See that? Got your hexalite, all of that good stuff. The leather, you see you got that old wrinkle stanker. Look at that old wrinkle stanker. Look at that. Look at that old wrinkle stanker. Then on the back, you got 3, and you got the question. So these are the question low. Then on the media side, pretty much the same thing as you can see on the shoe. As you can see inside, 10.5, and then you got more orange. It looked like I said, it looked like a reddish on camera, but trust me, these joints are orange. All right, it's orange on the shoe, and you do have a QR code inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? Yes, you can. QR inside. 10.5 personal pound. Come with stuffing paper. Nothing spectacular on the shoe, but like I said, for $99 or $88, you can't go wrong with this shoe. So with that being said, let's get a one real quick spin-a-rooney on the shoe, so you can let me know what y'all think. So we're gonna go on the Litty Lit meter. I'm gonna give this shoe, it's not the greatest, but it's pretty good. I give it about a 4.2. 4.2, because it wasn't a must-have. It's probably more of an impulse buy, but I like to have it in the collection because I got, y'all haven't seen, I got the UNC joint. Now I need the oatmeal joints to complete whatever little set I was trying to do. So I give it a 4.2 out of 5. That's not low. Some people are like, you give everything high rated. Yep. So let's keep it on a buck. We give it about a 4.2 of 5. Not a must-have. People don't rock with low. Everyone prefer the mid, so it is what it is. So like I said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We can chop it up in the comment section. Peace, love, and chicken grease. I'm out. Deuces.
Yeah, nigga, the corner could get you rich. Like me go gang. Like, you already know I'm about to say, nigga, I'm always in the streets. I'm street, nigga. Like, fuck